Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. Dempo Sports Club could disband in 3 years, says club president Srinivas Dempo. Dempo wants to make club financially self-sustaining or shut shop and go Mahindra's way into youth development only. Is MGP playing political chess with the BJP and Congress over alliance deal? MG kicks off its campaign, holds mega rally at Kepe, sends strong signal that they won't compromise on Kepe. th edition of Goa Yuva Mahotsav begins at Kepe Government College. Chief guest Odut Timlo inaugurates the fest, appeals goings to vote against corrupt politicians. GVP, UGDP declare there are 7 candidates for Nuve, Kordali, Kriol, Manauli, Thivi, Kepe and Kunkole. Remaining candidates list to be out in a few days. Dempo's talented teenage duo Aniston Fernandez and Jensly Fernandez selected for FC Midtjylland training stint. Head of FCM's academy Klaus Stenlin tells Goan duo work hard, don't cry. And now the news in detail. Srinivas Dempo has set a jaw-dropping deadline of 3 years to make Dempo Sports Club a self-sustaining entity, or he will go Mahindra Football Club's way and disband the iconic powerhouse of Indian football, Dempo Sports Club. Srinivas Dempo has announced concrete plans of setting up a full-fledged European-style football academy in Panji's vicinity. Dempo hopes the club can sell these academy-groomed players to I-League clubs or even in the rest of the world. Obviously, the academy will call for huge investments and Dempo is no longer looking for a charity module of running his club. Shall the academy fail to sell its players? This is a massive blow in the Indian footballing arena. Shall Dempo's venture of a youth football academy fail altogether, it will shut down its professional outfit.
I think, every business that is run, and I call it a business because it's now going beyond charity. We all love football, our family loves football, that's why we've supported it for so long. But with such high stakes that we are taking, we need to have a sustainable model in place. And God forbid if in the next 2.5, 3 years things don't work, then probably we need to think whether it makes sense to continue at all, or just probably look only at grassroots development, like what Mahindras have done. Mahindras have stopped their A team, got only into grassroots development. So maybe that's another model. But I hope that day never comes, and we would definitely like to see the light at the end of the table.
Hinting at a possible disbanding if things don't work out according.
Sure, I think with the kind of stakes that we are playing, and it's it goes for any business in my group. It's not only that passion has a limit, and if it goes beyond the limit, because we would like to be the best in things that we do, and that's why we are taking all these efforts. I'm investing in these 2 boys now, because I want them to be world class. I want them to play for the European Cup. I want them, So, and if things don't pan out that way, then we have to fundamentally go back and see what is wrong at our end. And it could be wrong at our end. It could be wrong at the regulation end. It would be wrong at the way the government looks at things. But we need to take a stock of the situation. But things can't remain this way. It's really scary to see things remaining this way for the next 5 years. Then it's not only me, but I think a couple of wickets will go down.
Well, this is not the first time that Srinivas Dempo has said that, well, if the club does not become self-sustaining, he'll have to think otherwise. But this is definitely the first time he has said directly that the club will be disbanded entirely. He might even go Mahindra's way of just concentrating into youth football. As Dempo says himself, he doesn't want it to happen, but shall the moment come, he will have to disband. He is hoping as a football fan and as a sports reporter that such a moment never comes in Indian football. With video journalist Devendra Gaonkar, sports reporter Nikhil Pereira for Prudent Media. It is now evident that MGP is playing its alliance cards smartly by keeping both the Congress and the BJP indulged in the coalition talks. MGP started its campaign from Maddal on Saturday. Later, they held their first public meeting at Kepe, the constituency which has now become the bone of contention in the BJP-MGP alliance talks.
This gesture of the MGP says it all. The party started its campaign from Maddal and its public meeting in Kepe while continuing alliance talks with the BJP. Political circles are abuzz with the theory that Dhavlikars are systematically playing mind games with the Congress as well as the BJP. This is what President of the party said after starting the campaign officially.
महाराष्ट्रवादी गोमंतक पक्षान जी सत्ता पयलीं दिल्ली त्याच तरेची सत्ता फुडें दिवंक जाय आनी आमी जे जे उमेदवार उबे करतले ते सगळे निवडून हाडपाचो प्रयत्न आमच्या हातांतल्यान जातलो आनी फुडलें सरकार हे मोगो पक्षाचें आसतलें अशी इच्छा आमी व्यक्त करता ह्या वेळार BJP MG युतीचें लोकां कडल्यान जनते कडल्यान खूब आमकां हें येता की युती करची म्हणून आनी ही युती अंतीम टप्प्यात आसा आनी केन्ना खंयच्याय वेळार जाहीर जावं शकता.
मोगो पक्षाचे कितले उमेदवार एफर्ट येतले अशें तुमचें हें आसा?
मोगो पक्षाचे 5 तरी उमेदवार ह्या खेपार निश्चित निवडून येतले आनी सरकारान म्हत्वाची भुमिका आमी निभयतले.
Interestingly, MGP's gesture of holding a mass public rally in Kepe has surprised many. The alliance deal with the BJP is stuck on Kepe constituency. MGP's move has made it amply clear that they are not going to leave their claim on the constituency. Leaders of the Congress say that while Deepak is indulged in talks with the BJP, senior Dhavlikar is having deliberations with the Congress. Many suspect that the oldest political party in Goa is using the political chessboard very sharply to be the kingmaker again, aligning with the BJP but not distancing from the Congress. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
The UGDP and Goa Vikas Party alliance on Saturday declared 7 candidates. The alliance has declared candidates in Nuve, Kortali, Priol, Banavle, Thivi, Kepe and Kukuli. Both the parties have stated that they will declare the remaining candidates in the next few days.
The United Goans Democratic Party and Goa Vikas Party alliance has announced 7 candidates for the elections. The candidates are GVB-backed candidates Miki Pacheco Nuve, Nelly Rodriguez Kortali, Rama Borkar Priol, Dilip Chodankar Thivi, Kaitan Silva Benavli. UGDP-backed candidates Manel Kulaso Kepe, Brenny Fernandez Kunkoli.
Independent कोण ना. They are fighting this election by proxy. म्हणले कितें कोणीतरी MLA थंय फाटल्यान आसा. म्हणजे काँग्रेसचो MLA न्ही बावन होतो. ते मुखार काडटा आपल्याकच ते वोट मेळचे. एंटी काँग्रेस वोट आहा ते इंडिपेंडंटा वयचो आनी तो इंडिपेंडंट परतून काँग्रेसीन जॉइन जावचो म्हणून आमी तांकांय विरोध करता. आमी म्हणटा की तूं रावता जाल्यार पक्षाचेर राव. तेंगेल पक्षाचेर राव आमगेल पक्षाचेर खंय तरी पक्षाचेर राव. इंडिपेंडंट राव नाका. इंडिपेंडंटा दिवं नाका पावनो. आमची गोंयची पॉलिटिक्साचें घट्टन जर जाला हे इंडिपेंडंट लोकांनी केला.
आमी दोनूय पक्ष आसा ते एकवटान रावन गोंयचे राज चलयतले आनी गोंयकारांक एक बरें सरकार दिवपाक फुडें सरतले. आयज हे सरकाराक तर आमी कितें गोंयचे परिचयचे प्रश्न आसात, गोंयचे परिचयचे विशय आसात, हे सुटावे करतले जाल्यार ह्या काँग्रेस सरकाराक कांय करूंक जायना. हेजे पयलीं कांय करूंक जावना. आनी जो सरकारान 7 वर्सां पयलीं म्हाकाय आमीच ह्या सरकारान सामील आशिल्ले 2005 आयज पासून जेन्ना ह्या सरकारान गोंयचे परिचय एक बरें सरकार दितलो, आम आदमी सरकार आसतलो, गोंयचे परिचय सरकार आसतलो, पूण गोंयच्या सरकार गोंयचे परदार शेंद्री लागली 7 वर्सां जालीं उठूंक पावना.
What we have noticed is in some constituencies, the Congress is fielding 2 candidates. Our problem is not with the Congress persons as such, but with the party. Even if God contests on Congress party, he will be corrupted. The Congress is a corrupt organization.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Everybody should cast their vote without falling prey to the lure offered by corrupt politicians. Chairman of Fomento Group, Adut Timlo, called on the youth at Yuva Mahotsav to exercise their constitutional rights effectively. 17th Goa Yuva Mahotsav kicked off from Saturday at Kepe Government College.
17th Goa Yuva Mahotsav commenced at Government College Kepe from Saturday. Chairman of Fomento Group, Adut Timlo, inaugurated the Mahotsav. Shelde Panchayat Sarpanch Bernardine Fernandez, Kokani Bhasha Mandal President Prashant Naik, Reception Committee Head Bhaskar Naik, Ashok Mangutkar and others were present for the Youth Fest. Chief guest Adut Timlo said that everyone should vote and nobody should sell their votes during this assembly election.
5 वर्सां चड जाता आनी वी द पीपल प्रत्येक इलेक्शना वेळार याद येता पूण प्रत्येक दिसाक याद येना म्हणून सदांच आमी वर्ल्ड रिपब्लीक म्हणजे परत लोक आनी लोकांचे राज आनी आमी हे लोक अशें म्हणून याद दवरून आमी हे सगळे जे नरकासूर म्हणिल्ले राजदीप नायकान आनी आतां की हांकां हांचे पयशांचे आमी बळी जावपा जायना आनी आमचो वोट विकपा जायना.
Prashant Naik has expressed that Yuva Mahotsav is not just another festival. Youth should come together and fight against injustice in the society.
विरोधा खातीर विरोध करून गोंयचे कशे व्हड लुकसाण जाता ते आमी दाखले दिवन सांगिल्ले. पण म्हाका दिसना त्या विशयाचेर आमी खोलायेन विचार केला म्हणून. ना जाल्यार गोंयांत येवपी NITच्या विरोधात फटीचो बेबुनियाद प्रचार करपी लोकांक तुम्ही जाब विचारतले आशिल्ले. NIT गोंयच्यान जर भायर गेली जाल्यार सगळ्यात चड नुकसान जातले ते तुमचे, विद्यार्थ्यांचे आणि तरणाट्याचे. देखून हांव तुमकां वरायता, जागे करता, जागे जायात.
गोंयच्या भुरग्यांचे मुळावें शिक्षण ताच्या आवय भाशांतल्यानूच जावपाक जाय. तर इंग्लीश भास माध्यम म्हणून येवपाक जायना. इंग्लीश आमकां नाका अशी न्हय, ती आमकां जाय, पूण ती प्राथमीक स्तराचेर न्हय. गोंयांतल्या सगळ्या महाविद्यालयांनी कोंकणी विशयाचे 6 पेपर आसप गरजेचे. ही मागणी हांव ह्या समाजात करता. उच्च शिक्षण संचालकांनी गोंयच्या सरकाराच्या कानार घालून कॅबिनेट डिसिजन घेवन मान्य करून घेवची आणि अंमलात हाडची.
Reception committee head Bhaskar Naik, Ashok Mangutkar and others also spoke on the occasion. Young participants for Yuva Mahotsav were seen participating with Dhol Tashe. They were enjoying to the fullest at the venue. A souvenir named Kushavati was also released on the occasion. Our reporter from Sangye, Mayur Naik.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.